thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, northern Athens County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Caldwell to near Chester Hill to near Logan, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Nelsonville, Gloucester, McConnellsville, Beverly, Chester, Hope State Park, Chauncey, Malta, Buckville, Lowell, Stockport, Jacksonville, Trimble, Zaleski, Bristol, Maxburg, Amesville, Stroud Run State Park, and Fleming. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 8 and 17. And now the